Welcome, Fly Tribe, to your weekly tutorial. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Thank you for coming. And don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so that you know when we drop a new weekly tutorial. So this week's tutorial is all about the salto from the Rebecca split. All right, let's get into it. So first of all, what is a salto? So a salto is literally just a flip. And so you don't lose any height from doing a salto. And what makes a flip is that you have an axis point. So if you notice here that she's going up, she's got a kind of a wrap around her hips. That is her axis point, and you're gonna see the flip happen right here, and she's just flipping around that axis point. All right, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So you're going to go up and you're going to get into your Rebecca split. So Rebecca split, if you need a tutorial on that, you can go back and check that out. It's in the description and I'll link it here. So you're going to footlock a 1 footlock egg beater wrap. You're going to do a side lean with the fabric in the armpit. Throw the fabric over the knee. And you're going to do a half wrap for this. And keep the fabric in your shoulder. You're going to lean back and hook the knee over both fabrics and climb up. You're going to thrust, straighten the leg, and you're going to bring the arm through the inside. You're going to grab the fabric tail with the other hand. So the other hand, you can't see it, but she does have the fabric in her other hand. And then whenever you're ready to let go, you're just going to let go, arm goes to the side. All right, and when you flip, you do want to have kind of a bend in your hips, almost like you're bending slightly at the hips as you flip around. Let's go ahead and take a look at that once again. All right, so don't forget, you're going to set yourself up into a Rebecca split. So egg beater wrap, 1 leg, 1 fabric pole. You're going to stand all the way up and side lean fabric, throw it over the knee. And you do want a half wrap, so you're going to do it twice and keep the fabric over the shoulder. You're going to lean back and hook both fabric poles. You can style there if you want, or you can just climb up. You're going to thrust the leg, and you're going to transition the hands above. One hand will have the fabric, and whenever you're ready to let go, you're just going to bring the arm to the side to land. Remember to have a slight bend in the hips as you go. All right, and to come out, you're just going to come back up to stand and just unwrap. Great job, and I hope you enjoyed this weekly tutorial. We will see you next week, and don't forget to smash that bell.